Hey there, this is Tony Bo from Visuals2Go. Today I'm going to answer the question of the week, which is, can you make your screen size larger for someone who has a vision impairment? And the answer is yes. And it's actually very simple to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it now. So first of all, you go to, I'm going to share my screen first of all. Okay, so as you can see here, the albums are actually relatively small in size.
Feelings.
Even when I tap it, it's a bit quite small in size. So the way you do this to make the screen size larger is you tap the pencil icon. Now the pencil icon is really your go-to for any type of editing. So here is to change the screen size larger, and there's a scroll bar at the bottom and you just swipe it across. So this is the largest size that's in a landscape mode. If you actually need a larger, the best way to do is actually switch to portrait mode. So I'm going to switch it to portrait mode now. And tap the pencil icon. As you can see here, I could move it to an even larger screen. And there you have it.
See.
So that is the largest size you can do the screen. However, having said that, if someone has a vision impairment and they select the wrong button, the great thing about Visuals2Go is you can swipe the screen. So when you swipe the screen, you can, the person who's using it can swipe it to the one that they want. And this, it is designed for that purpose. So if someone does have either fine motor issue or a vision impairment, they can navigate to the one that they want from this screen here. And that's it. I hope you benefit from this feature. We'll chat again in the next question of the week. Bye for now.